Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning about the 10 most commonly used conjunctions. Let's get started. And.
Og.
I eat and drink.
Jeg spiser og drikker.
But.
Men.
I want to go, but I'm tired.
Jeg vil gerne afsted, men jeg er træt.
Or.
Eller.
Tea or coffee.
Te eller kaffe.
Because.
Fordi.
I stay because it's late.
Jeg bliver, fordi det er sent.
If.
Hvis.
If it rains, I stay.
Hvis det regner, bliver jeg.
When.
Når.
Call me when you arrive.
Ring til mig, når du ankommer.
While.
Mens.
I listen while I work.
Jeg lytter, mens jeg arbejder.
Although.
Selvom.
Although it's cold, I go out.
Selvom det er koldt, går jeg ud.
Until.
Indtil.
Wait until I come back.
Vent, indtil jeg kommer tilbage.
Since.
Siden.
I've been here since 2026.
Jeg har været her siden 2026.
So.
Så.
I was tired, so I slept.
Jeg var træt, så jeg sov.
Also.
Også.
I like tea. I also like coffee.
Jeg kan godt lide te. Jeg kan også godt lide kaffe.
Finally.
Endelig.
Finally, I found it.
Endelig fandt jeg det.
Anyway.
Uanset hvad.
Anyway, let's go.
Uanset hvad, lad os gå.
Before.
Før.
Wash your hands before dinner.
Vask dine hænder før aftensmaden.
After.
Efter.
We can play football after school.
Vi kan spille fodbold efter skolen.
As soon as.
Så snart.
Call me as soon as you arrive.
Ring til mig, så snart du ankommer.
As long as.
Så længe.
You can stay, as long as you want.
Du kan blive her lige så længe, du vil.
Even if.
Selvom.
I will go even if it rains.
Jeg tager afsted, selvom det regner.
Actually.
Faktisk.
Actually, I don't know.
Faktisk ved jeg det ikke.
Quiz time.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.